Hi, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we're going to talk about how to make bugleweed tea. Bugleweed is a relative of the mint, subtle mint flavor to it. So tea, you may enjoy bugleweed as well. Now, bugleweed's going to be a little more difficult to find than mint tea, but if you go to an herb store or a health food store, your chances are much better. Let's get started. First, we're going to take our tea kettle. You're going to pour cold water into the tea kettle, and then you're going to take your tea kettle and place it on your stove on a high heat. Give it some time, and once the water has come to a complete boil, then you can remove it from the stove and add it to your bugleweed tea. You're going to want to make sure that your water has come to a boiling point so that it's the appropriate temperature to diffuse the herb throughout the beverage. What we're going to do then is we're going to take one of our tea bags and we're going to open it up. Now keep in mind you're going to want to use a cup that's between 8 and 12 ounces so that the tea doesn't become too diluted. Once you have your tea bag in your teacup, we're then going to take the boiling water and pour it over top the tea bag, fully submersing it into the hot water. Now this is important so that the contents of the tea bag are fully getting diffused throughout the beverage and that there's no parts of the tea bag that are left dry. Once that's in there, you can then give it a few bobs before you let it sit there for a little bit. And make sure to leave yourself a little room in the top there to avoid getting burned, because remember, you are using boiling water. Once you've submersed your bugleweed tea bag into the hot water, you're going to allow it to sit there or steep for about 2 to 4 minutes. This gives time for the herb to infuse into the water and you have an even tasting beverage. Now, because it is part of the mint family, adding cream or milk to the beverage may curdle the milk, so you want to stay away from that. But you could add some honey or sugar if you want to add some more flavor or have it to be a little sweeter to your taste. Again, my name is Joey Papa. I'm a coffee consultant, and today we learned how to make bugleweed tea.